See?
That looks good.
But I don't want any fatty pieces.
You don't get a fatty pieces, you get this.
You just gave me a fatty.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have Grandma in the kitchen with me today, and we're going to be making some turkey pepper pot. Let me tell you all something, Grandma makes some of the most flavorful, most tender turkey pepper pot that there was. Trust me, if you do not eat beef, if you don't eat pork, or you want something different from the normal, this turkey pepper pot is definitely what you need to be making for this holiday season. A big shout out goes to Mr. Ron Soogrim for supporting and sponsoring this recipe today. I'm using the amazing Soogrim's Cassareep as well as their cinnamon sticks. This is going to be amazing. I'll leave his email as well as his phone number on the screen. And you can go ahead and contact Mr. Ron Soogrim for any spices, any pepper sauces, any dried goods. Anything that he has in stock, he can send it straight to your door. Just give him a call and let him know that Matthew sent you so he knows that you all are watching these amazing videos. So thank you once again. Let's get into this recipe and I'm going to show you how amazing this turkey pepper pot is.
See, when you cut, you got to chop it here. The back of a chopper.
Oh, you can't chop at the front of it.
You could, but
It's better that way.
better that way. I like cut up the turkey myself because the way how they cut it up in the supermarket is not the way I like it.
Okay.
So they cut too small, so they cut too big. See, it's still frozen. Ice on it. With the ice, it's not hard either.
Yeah, it helps you chop it
Yeah.
better. With cleaner cuts, right?
Yeah. You're videoing this, right?
Yeah.
See,
So
this
what
is
is
the
that
neck.
then?
It's
The neck?
already cut up. So we don't have to cut this up.
So this you just have to wash. Really.
Just have to wash, clean.
So you just have to see what your local grocery store has and what's the best option.
What's available, right?
Yeah.
When we do turkey, I like this part.
The wing?
Yeah, then
The wingtip.
Yes, you make the pepper more, little more gooey and thick.
Yeah, it makes the collagen from it.
Right. Wash away some lemon and that's it. Lemon juice.
Yeah.
We're not gonna put vinegar. We're not gonna put vinegar.
Okay. So how much you did? 2 packs of necks and 3 packs of wings.
3 packs of wings. So it's like 6 wings.
6 wings.
6 wings.
So each of the necks was 3 pounds each. So
Yeah.
6 pound a neck we used.
Yeah.
And then about
the wing is
another 6 pound of wings because it's 2 pound
2
each.
pound each. Yes.
Yeah, so
So it's 12 pounds.
12 pounds in
12
total of
pound.
turkey meat.
You don't
So
need
not too much oil. You put in.
No, you just want.
Just a little bit to help steam it up.
Yeah.
So you throw in all the turkey now. So you're gonna put it in here. You're gonna season it now or let it steam a little first? So this is to like help get the rank out and stuff.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
You cover it or no?
No.
So just let it burn.
I'm gonna put a little black pepper, some garlic powder,
Okay.
little black pepper.
The thing videotaped in it?
Yeah. So people can season this up how they want, but it's really
but
just a simple thing.
Because with pepper pot, really, you're not put too much salt.
Yeah.
That the Cassareep get a lot of little sugar and stuff, you know.
Sugar and salt it has. Right?
Yeah.
And you don't put fresh onion because if you put the fresh onion, it makes it spoil quick. You're supposed to leave pepper pot out.
Right.
So the thing is, every day after you make the pepper pot, you'll boil back the pepper pot.
You got to
and
stay,
stuff.
heat it up on it, yeah. Heat it up on the stove, so the stale you get it, the better it is.
Yeah. So the cashew preserves it. Okay.
Frozen thing. I think I got fresh one too.
It doesn't matter. You
Put it frozen on it, doesn't matter.
You can bring a bottle thing, you know.
What?
A bottle of seasoning like that.
Oh, yeah.
So you just added in some thyme, and you want to add in thyme because that's where the flavor is gonna come from.
Yeah, the time.
Alright, so this is the Soogrim's cloves, the cinnamon sticks, as well as the Pomeroon cassareep that we're gonna put into the pepper pot today. And this right here, you can purchase from Soogrim's. Just give them a call, and they'll box it up for you, and they'll ship it right to your door. These cloves, as well as the cinnamon sticks, come from Ceylon, Sri Lanka, and the cassareep is real Guyanese cassareep from Pomeroon. Alright, so you're gonna...
I throw some pepper, some wiri pepper. You can make it as hot as you want.
Yeah.
And I will put some of the cloves.
And what do you put, like a handful of cloves?
No, I put like, not too much.
It's not too much, it's like
Yeah.
almost like 10 cloves.
Yeah, 10 or 12.
And we're also gonna go
like,
to Soogrim's cinnamon sticks now.
Yeah. One stick.
Just one stick, you break it up.
Yeah. Some of the casareep, like.
And it's nice and thick.
Yeah, and a good amount.
This looks like the real casareep, not, don't look artificial.
Yeah, it smells good. Yeah.
But for this you need a good amount because it's gonna cook down and you want it to be nice and dark and black.
Right.
But when you stir it up and you cook it down, you could add more if you need more.
Yeah.
And as usual, all the ingredients and the measurements, I'll leave it in the description box below the video so you guys can check that out. Grandma's averaging right now, but I'll go ahead and I'll mix some measurements for all of you.
When you boil it through the water, when you boiling, it get dark.
Then you could add more casareep or whatever.
Put some sugar.
Okay. You want to put sugar now? Okay.
Casareep, you don't put salt. Pepper pot, you don't put salt. Put the sugar.
Oh, really?
Because the cassava already have sugar.
Salt, you mean?
Not salt. I don't know if they put it in.
Oh, so probably when they make the casareep, they put the salt. Oh, so you only add a little bit of sugar, that's it?
Yeah.
No, you don't even add salt?
You don't need salt,
wow.
salt in the pepper pot.
Yeah, so it has to be the casareep that gives it that flavor. You don't need salt. Of course, if you taste it
If you want, you can put
salt,
a little bit, yes.
But Grandma said she don't put any salt.
You don't put salt.
We're just going to cover this
The casareep have enough flavor already.
And you want to cover it with
You
water.
cover it with the water.
And this right here is the best casareep turkey or the best turkey pepper pot.
It will be a little more dark.
Darker.
When you boil, you're going to add some more casareep.
Yeah. Because sometimes when you add it, it'll boil down and get darker.
Yeah. Yeah, that should be fine.
Yeah. And you'll see it later if it needs more.
Yep.
Cover it and let it boil down. Alright, so we had a little bit of casareep left at the bottom of this bottle, so we just went ahead and added some water to wash it out because we're going to use. So we ended up using about like 3/4 of this bottle, I'd say. We had emptied the rest into another container, but about 3/4 of the bottle got it this color, and when it boils down more, it'll get very dark.
Yeah, that's it. Put
So
some more.
you keep on adding water until everything's tender and falls apart. We won't be eating this tonight, even after it gets tender. We're going to eat it tomorrow after it gets a chance to boil back again.
Right.
And you can taste it now if you want to add anything else to adjust, right?
But we're going to do not now, later.
Yeah.
And that's it, everyone. This is the thick, the rich, and the delicious pepper pot that Grandma and I put together today. Trust me, if you want something different or if you love turkey, give her pepper pot recipe a try. All the ingredients will be left in the description box down below. We're going to eat this with some fresh flatbread and everything is going to be perfect. If you enjoyed this video today, please don't forget to give it a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and drop those comments down below and let me know what you'd like to see next. I hope you all give this a try for the holiday season. And of course, if you want to purchase the casareep, the cloves, or even the cinnamon from Soogrim's, go ahead and contact the number or the email that you see on the screen here or in the description box down below. Mr. Ron Soogrim will box you up some items and send it straight to your door. I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye, everyone.